Hello student, today we learn about differences between DNA and RNA. You already know DNA and RNA both are the nucleic acid. DNA and RNA both are the nucleic acid. Then what is differences between DNA and RNA? DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA is the ribonucleic acid. So we see here what is differences between DNA and RNA. You see here differences between DNA and RNA. You see here first difference. Differences between DNA and RNA. Here you know DNA, and here RNA. You see here differences between DNA and RNA. DNA is the sugar, first of all. Both are the sugar. Sugar is deoxyribose. Sugar is deoxyribose in DNA. Deoxyribose sugar, 5-pentose sugar. And that pentose sugar is the carbon number 2 have no oxygen. Then it is DNA. Sugar is ribose. Sugar is ribose. Ribose sugar means C5H10O5. Ribose sugar formula. Here deoxyribose C5H10O4. Carbon number 2 have no oxygen. So second difference you see here. Second differences between first differences in sugar. Second differences you see here. 4 nitrogenous base. 4 nitrogenous base. Which one? A, T, C and G. 4 nitrogenous base A, T, C, G. Here 4 nitrogenous base. 4 nitrogenous base. Which one? A, U, C, G. You see here adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. Here adenine, uracil, cytosine, guanine. Here that is the T and U. You see here differences between T, U. 4 here and 4 here out of 5. Out of 5 nitrogenous base, 4 nitrogenous base in DNA. ATCG. If you see the strand ATCG, if the thymine, then DNA. If uracil, then RNA. Both are no present in that is the one DNA have that is thymine and RNA have uracil. So 4 base pair. Third differences between DNA and RNA. You see here what is the third difference? Third difference in it is double stranded. There are some exceptions. Some viruses have that is single stranded DNA. But generally, I say generally, double stranded. That is generally double stranded. DNA have a double strand. But generally, that is the single stranded. Generally these are double stranded, these are single. Here are some exception. RNA double stranded. So these are that is some exceptions. You do not go to exception. Generally these are that is the double stranded, and generally these are the single stranded. Fourth difference. It is single type. It is three types. Three types. Which one? Three types? mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA. These three types. It is three types: messenger RNA, transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA. And this is the single type, one type only. On the basis of coiling beta DNA, Z DNA, B DNA, it is coiling right-handed, left-handed, no, that is generally these are single type. But these are generally three, it is mainly three types: mRNA, tRNA, rRNA, messenger RNA, transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA. That is the first difference, that is these are the single type and these are the three types. So these are the some major differences between DNA and RNA. That are both are nucleic acid, but some differences between DNA and RNA. So both are that is the nucleic acid, and nucleic acid are two types: deoxyribonucleic acid and this is the ribonucleic acid. It is the polymers of deoxyribotides and this is the polymers of ribonucleotides. This is the polymers of deoxyribonucleotides. You can you can write it is polymer of polymers of deoxyribonucleotides. It is polymers of ribonucleotide. So these are some that is differences, that is DNA and RNA both are present in animal and plant both. DNA and RNA both are available in the same organism, all have different functions. That are DNA and RNA both are that is present in every organism, both are nucleic acid, but there are some differences that we are written here. So these you have no confusion, that everything is very clear here. That is 4 types, 4 nitrogen base here, out of 5, 4 here. ATCG, how you can identify? That is with thymine. These are alternate, thymine and that is uracil. In RNA uracil and DNA have thymine. These are generally double stranded. Watson and Crick model you already know that these are single stranded. The polymers of deoxyribonucleotide is the polymers of nucleotide. This is the differences between DNA and RNA. So if you like my video, then I request you subscribe my channel and that is share my video and that is like my video and comment upon that is the. Thank you. Have a nice day.